Right, in this lesson we're going to learn how to multiply large numbers, and I'm going to teach the first method because there's actually more than one method of multiplying large numbers, and I'll also teach them as well in different videos. So first let's look at an easy example. 23 times 61, let's say. Now this is a grid here, and what we'll do is we'll put the 23 that way and the 61 that way. And all you really need to know for this method is your times tables and how to add numbers. So what we'll do is first of all we'll do 2 times 6. We'll put the tens in the top diagonal of the square. We've got 1 10. We've got 2 units. Right, so because the answer to 2 times 6 is 12. So we've got a 1 there because it's 1 10. And 2 there because it's 2 units. Because the units always go on the top diagonal. No, I mean the units go on the bottom and the tens go on the top. Right, and then we'll move on to the next one, which is 3 times 6. So we've got 1 here and an 8 here because it's 18. And here we get a 0 here because 1 times 2 has got no tens. And we've got 2 units. And here 1 times 3 is 3. And then we'll add up each diagonal. So in this diagonal we've only got 3. In this diagonal we've got 8 and 2, so that's 10. 2 and 1 here, we'll have to carry the 1 because that went to 10. So that would be 4. And we've got a 1 here. So the answer to 23 times 61 would be 1,403. Okay, now I want to do a harder example. I want to do 563 times 891. Right, so we're going to have to make a 3 by 3 grid. So put 5, 6, 3, 8, 9, 1. Now we'll just do it in the same way. We'll do 5 times 8, 40, 6 times 8, 48, 3 times 8, 24, 5 times 9, 45, 6 times 9, 54, 3 times 9, 27, 1 times 5, 5, 1 times 6, 6, and 1 times 3, 3. And then we'll add up each diagonal. So we've got 3 here, we've got 7 and 6 here, that's 13. We've got 4, 6, 10, 15 here, carry the 1, that's 16. We've got 10, 15, 20 here, carry the 1, that's 21. We've got 8 here, carry the 2 over, that's 10. We've got 4 here, but remember that went up to 10 because we carried the 2 over, so we'll carry the 1 here. So that now becomes a 5. So the answer to this problem then is 501,633. So yeah, we'll read the numbers this way just so that people know. From the top left hand corner down to the bottom right. Along this way, like that. Okay, so let us just do one more example. For last one we'll do 2,000 numbers. In fact we'll do 100 times 1,000. So now we've got 5,623 times 745. So now with the grid's not going to be a square, it's going to be a rectangle. So we've got 5, 6, 2, 3, 7, 4, 5. And just so that you know, it wouldn't actually matter whether you put the 745 day and the 563 day, you get the same answer. Because you can multiply numbers in any order. So if you wanted to do it like that, you could. So I'll do 5 times 7, 35, 42, 14, 21, 20, 24, 8 and 12. And just multiplying these here. 25, 30, 10, 15. Add up the diagonals here. 5, 3, 2, 10, 11, 6, 10, 13, 18, carry the 1, 9, 1, 3, 5, 7, carry the 1, 8, 4 and 5, 9, 2, 11, carry the 1, 12, and 3 here, carry the 1, 4. So for this problem we'll get 4,289,135 as our final answer. Write that a bit bigger just so you can see. Okay, so that's the first method for how we can multiply large numbers. Okay. And like I said, you just multiply that and that, that and that, that and that, 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 that and that, that and that, that and that. You multiply all the numbers. The tens go in the top diagonal of each square, the units go in the bottom diagonal of each square. You add up the numbers along each diagonal and you read it from that way. So that means the answer is 4,289,135. The next time I'll teach another method for how we can multiply large numbers. It doesn't matter which method you want to use, they'll all get you the right answer, okay?